Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I wanted to do a quick little video on this outdoor shower install I did about 2 years ago. It started with this breezeway fence and the concrete work that the poles are sitting in. When we first bought the house, the breezeway fence was falling down, and all this new concrete where the poles are was just dirt and mud, and there were some plants in there, and they had landscape timbers that would block the water from draining down the driveway. So it was just always kind of nasty and muddy. So as the fence got worse, when I got ready to do the new breezeway fence, I decided to use the metal post and then concrete everything that was dirt. So it just drains now down towards the driveway. That's the driveway's just on the other side. And it took about 17 bags, I guess, of just your Sakrete. So it was a little bit of work, a little bit of mixing, but it wasn't too bad. But that's kind of the backstory on that. And then I wanted to do an outdoor shower, so after you finish mowing, or after I'm done working on engines and stuff, come home kind of nasty and dirty, it's nice just to be able to shower off here versus go inside. So we made a few updates over the last couple of years. One of the biggest ones was I added hot water. When I first built it, I did it just with cold water, and it was just too cold. So what I used was water heater connections, and they just go on to these T's. So it's a garden hose thread to just your regular like MPT thread. Fittings, these fittings here like this, I got those from Grainger, and I put a low drain so I can drain it during the winter. The copper pipe is encased in concrete inside that milk jug, and that's how it just stands up. I can disconnect it, move it. It's not hard lined or connected to the house. And I got the copper pipe from a buddy of mine that was throwing it away. He was doing some remodeling. So we added the license plates and some extra pickets for privacy just on this side of the fence gaps, because I got a neighbor's house right here. And then I put this in just as a little additional privacy screen. And we added just a little shelf, nothing too big. And then I made this to hang your towel on, and you can swing it out for privacy. And then of course when you're done, you can just swing it back in. This wall is the washing machine and dryer connections, so it was pretty easy for me to run the hot water. I just drilled through the brick, and actually I used a washing machine line connection to another T in your box where your plumbing comes out for your washing machine. And I'm going to include pictures of that at the end of the video. I don't have video of that when I was building it, but I think that's pretty much it. Just a little quick video of what I did, how I did it, why I did it, and we definitely enjoy it. It's been real nice. You don't have to worry about cleaning up after you're done. We bathe the dog in it, so you don't have to worry about dog hair clogging up your drains and stuff like that. And then I just made a little stool out of some scrap I had laying around just to have over here. But yeah, anyway, that's about it. So if you stay tuned towards the end of the video, I'll toss in some photos of me hand pouring all this and ripping the old post out, and how you'll get to see kind of how I put everything together. Anyway, I appreciate everybody subscribing, liking, sharing. Everybody have a good one. Thanks.